Absolute Gems, and today I'm back with another video. So today's video is gonna be kind of different, I guess. I live in Houston, Texas, for y'all that don't know, but we are, I don't know, it said a tropical storm, whatever. We just had one of those yesterday until yesterday until today. Y'all get what I'm saying. But yeah, it was raining a lot yesterday, but the tropical storm for real didn't happen until this morning. But we have no power. No power. So I have water, but no power. And I'm hungry. Nobody's open. But Target was open, so I went to Target and I got like some non-perishable foods that I could eat, I guess, until I have power. And hopefully it's not out too long, because then all the food and stuff that I have, I'm gonna have to throw it away. And I don't think that's fair. But let me show y'all what I got from Target. It's hot in this house because the AC not on either. So yeah. And good thing about me, I can plug, like if my phone starts to die, I can plug it in my car without having to turn my car on. So one, I'm not losing gas, and two, I can keep my phone charged. So yeah. But let me go show y'all what I got from Target. And there's something out there that's screaming, I don't know, but I live by a bayou. So okay, we in the kitchen. I got some chips. I got some granola bar, salsa, canned chicken. The canned chicken, I'm gonna just season it up and do some these candle things, because I was on TikTok and they were saying that like I could light a candle to like cook, and that's if I really need to like boil some water or something. In this pan, we set it inside this pan with this little rack. Put the rack on top, and then let it do its thing. So I got that. Some juices. I already have water here because I just bought some, so I didn't need to get that. Goldfish. But this was one of the last loaves of bread in the store. So tortillas. I'm gonna try to make like some like mini pizza roll-ups or something. And roll it up. I got these cup noodles. If I boil the water and put it in there. I got like some tuna packet. Get down! Get off my table. Don't play. I got some tuna packets. I got 4 different flavors, I think. Applesauce, the pepperonis, peanut butter, pizza sauce, and chili. And that's it. I don't know how this pizza gonna work out because I don't really like cold pizza. But okay, y'all, so we finna try this out. We got the handle lid, my little skillet. I'm finna try to make some eggs or something just to see if it works. So yeah. Okay, y'all, it's doing some. The butter do melty. And it's cooking. Yeah. So we'll see. Okay, y'all, so eggs are done. So y'all see, it did work. But yeah, I'm probably gonna eat some applesauce with that, or make me a PB&J, something. But it works. Update, y'all. It's 12:37 in the morning on Tuesday. Still no power, and I'm hot. No AC, no cable, no nothing. So that means I got another, let's say, 24, 25, 26, 29, 29 hours before my food in the freezer goes bad. And baby, I need food. Anybody can sell me some food stamps? My cat been over there sleeping all day, and I've been up all day. I went and got Taco Bell earlier because I was hungry, and some of the food places is opening back up. So yeah, but that's the update. Bye. Guess I'll try to get some sleep and see y'all when I wake up. But who knows? Hey y'all, so it's the next day. Power's still out. It's getting hotter because it's back in the 100-degree heat from outside. My food is spoiling because I just came back in the house and it stinks. But I'm about to go to the pool because I can't. It's too hot. It's too hot. It's too hot. People power is coming back on, but they haven't quite made it around to my side of town, and I need them to do that. I'm sweating, y'all. Like it's bad, and the house feels like super stuffy, because no air is circulating, so it's kind of hard to breathe. And yeah, so I'm about to go to the pool and try to cool off a little bit, and I'm coming in, take a shower, and go from there. Yo, I can't get in the pool. They got it blocked off. And there's a tree inside of it. So what am I supposed to do? Just sit and suffer, bro? Found the other pool, but this one blocked off too. And look at the tree. Bro. This is ridiculous.